Everyone, good morning. So, I'm here to get ready with me. Nga nga. So, how are you everyone? And I'm back again. So, I really miss get ready with me, and it's been a while since I upload on my YouTube channel. So, I'm using the Details Cosmetic for the Fresh Filter Natural Finish Foundation, and this is the shade Almond. So right now, let's use all this. And ang nakakaganda dito is this foundation. It's really magaan lang sa mukha mo, and para ka na ding nag-filter. It's very fine, by the way. And ang nakakaganda dito, if you're too oily, siya, nagmamat siya on my skin, especially I'm oily. So, ano, um, once na ito yung gagamitin ko, hindi siya nag-oil on my side. my side. So, ayun. And, sobrang fine niya lang, and ang gaan niya, parang wala ka ding kinamit. Basta, it's really, perfect on my side. And it's really easy to blend as well. So, ito yung nakakaganda. Then, ngayon sa mga formulation ng mga local brands, kasi ang dali niya lang mag-blend and really absorb your skin easily as well. And it's really, mapaglaban talaga siya sa high-end brand. Tapos, makakover niya lahat yung dapat i-cover. Sorry, hindi pa kasi sa tapos yung yung renovation ng bahay. So, yung light ko is hindi pa fully on. fully on. So, ayan. See? But the eye bag is not giving. Ika-cover natin yan by using this from Dissolve. So, as you can see, ubos na siya. Kasi, it's really nice and it's really easy to blend as well. Mabango siya in fairness. So, ayun. Let's cover this one. And, wait lang. So, by the way guys, nakita nyo yung Miss Universe, diba nanalo na tayo sa people choice. Tapos, naka 1 million, almost 2 million yung vote. And, pagising ko kanina, mga 3 p.m., bakit mayroong part 2 na voting? And sadly, hindi na ako makakapasok sa app kasi kailangan siya i-update. Tapos, nag-update ako. May error sa part ko. So, di ko alam kung bakit. Tapos, ang number 1 na ngayon, pero yata yun, naging 1 million din siya. Di ba ang dali lang? Bakit ngayon lang siya lumalaban? Tapos na yung voting. Sana hindi luto yung Miss Universe. Kasi ang ganda kaya ni Atisa, and Atisa deserve the crown. Really deserve the crown. I'm using this, the eyebrow gel from Bayfree. And ayun. So, magpapasko tayong atin ang 5th crown. Anyways, ayun. So, I've been using this matagal na. So, yes, almost 2026 na. And sana yung wish ko is matupad to be a brand ambassador of Makeup Beauty manifesting. So please follow me on my TikTok and on my YouTube as well. So I'm using this Isin ko for my ano um this is their eyebrow golden hour glow for bronzer. So yung gagamitin ko no gagamitin yung gagawin ko is may nakita kasi ako dito sa TikTok and it's really working on my end, like sorry, ganun siya, wait lang ha, ganun dito, i-V siya, i-V, parang bronzer slash contour na din siya, tapos dito tapos dito i-ano siya, tapos magganyan dito para then the other side naman dito tapos dito ulit and dito. Mostly, may nakita akong, may pinalo ako dito eh. Ganito yung style niya. Ang ganda niya. Ilang beses ko na din siya nagamit. Tapos, after that, put your favorite blush on the top. Wait lang ha. Wait. So, I'm using the Details Cosmetic. And, since this is one of my favorite blush. And, kasi gusto ko talaga yung yung parang nag-blush on ka na. Ba-blush on ka na parang sunog ng sun. Ganyan yung attacking gusto ko sa blush. So that, then, next, dalawa kasi yung kulay na lalagay ko, and this is the Ludos for Details Cosmetic as well. Same brush, lagay ko ganyan, tapos ganyan, and after that one, use again with concealer again, cover mo dito ganyan, tapos dito ganyan, like that. Nakalimutan ko maglagay dito, but lagyan ko muna, then again. And the nose, hindi ko din wait lang. So lagyan din yung nose. Akala ko nag-video na ako, hindi pala. Then after that one, so blend the everything. Ang dami. Pero trust the process. Trust the process. And boom. Tapos, blend the bra. This one. Together with the... Wait lang. As you can see here, diba? Ang ganda niya. Hindi ko alam kung klaro sa inyo, pero sa aking side, it's really nice. On my end, and voila. Di pa tapos yung nose, pero babalik ako. So, here's my final look. As you can see, diba ang ganda niya? So, ayun lang.